Oh my god.
Well, I think the key ingredient for me is being a little tipsy.
What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to another video.
This is Life with the Herreras. And in today's video, we're gonna be cooking a discada.
Woo.
Let's go. All right, guys, so this is our setup. We have tocino, salchicha, chorizo, asada, and our vegetables, it's cebolla and jalapenos. And we like to add nopales to our tacos, so we're gonna add nopales to our vegetables. And we have our tortillas here whenever it's ready. Que no falte la chela bien fría. Shout out to my boy Keenan. He hooked me up with these barrilitos. It's the first time I try them, so let's get it. Or you gotta open it with whatever you got.
Taste test.
That's good.
A ver si queda bien la discada, ¿no?
It's over. We are screwed.
Hi, baby boy. Say hi.
You wanna help me cook?
Mi chulo. Say hi. Be careful, okay? Leo, you ready to cook? Leo, say this is Life with the Herreras. Good job. You gonna eat bacon and salchicha? Is that so good? It's good. Like this, Mira. Good job. You gonna mix it right here? You gonna mix it? Yummy. You gonna help Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna add the bacon first. Wow. You help me? Look at that.
Man down. Man down. It's good he didn't nap today, so he was so sleepy. Mira, no me mira. You can't hang.
How you like your bacon? Well done or where?
I like my bacon crunchy. Casi quemado.
I like it like this.
No way.
Prefer it like this.
No. Poquito más, I mean, maybe not like frito, pero poquito más. Ábramela, please.
Got you, babe.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, my mom.
We're cooking.
We're cooking.
Who's hungry?
I'm hungry.
Iván ya no todo lo que da.
Pues el hambre no para.
Now we're gonna put it to the side. Let it drain while we cook the other meat. Oh, that shit scared me. All right, now we're gonna do the salchicha.
Dang.
Gotta cook there. Now we're gonna put this to the side. I am running out of room. She keeps jumping. Right here so it won't splash. Smells good.
Ya andas bien happy.
I drank like 4 beers already.
I'm gonna take a quick shot of Hornitos. Look at this cute little cup from Ciudad Juarez.
Don't get too drunk. You're my helper.
Dude,
You're my
it's, just,
sister.
it's not even a full shot, it's half a shot. Okay, ready?
Digo que ahora si Dios quiere este año, ya cuando saburo la carne asada va a ser mojarra,
That's so
discada.
Pues de
It's
hornitos.
even,
te aburre,
it's even
¿verdad?
like sweet at the end. It's good.
Still got the chorizo going here. A couple more minutes and it'll be ready. I had to take everything else out because it's starting to fall in there, running out of space. So I'll throw everything back in there once everything is cooked and heat it up, and it'll be ready. Number, I don't know. The chef always gotta have a beer in his hand. Now we're gonna do the asada.
Su casa dice que entras a su casa y son puros corrales de vacas en el lado. ¿Tienen estas cositas con él?
We gotta add the seasoning.
No preocupan nada. No dicen nada.
And salt. Just mix it up. We're gonna add the vegetables. Somebody forgot the tomatoes, so it's gonna be jalapenos and onion and nopales.
Actually, first of all, you forgot the tomatoes.
Me?
You forgot them at the store, and then, well,
Whatever. Still gonna be good. Let it mix with all the oil from all the other meats. All the nutrients.
damn, look how good, oh my God.
Faltó el tomato para que sea la mexicana.
I know, right? Entre no falte the spice. Yeah.
¿Qué fue?
Yeah, ahorita fry it real good. Mira toda la grasita, mira.
Los nopales? Not yet. Well, I think the key ingredient for me is being a little tipsy. Every time I cook, carne asada, carnitas. But this is the first time we cooked this, but I think I cook better with a couple beers on me. So
Choke. Hey.
if y'all want me to cook something for y'all, give me some beer.
Julian!
Last thing, our favorite, the nopales. Add some salt.
Show my vaquita. Show her. Look at her. I got her in Tepoztlan, Mexico. This bonfire. Ready to go all night, baby. That's what she said.
Dos, tres.
Faster.
Y'all having fun? Yeah? Alright, now we're gonna add all the meats and the vegetables and mix it all up. Start with the salchicha. Throw it in there. The chorizo. We'll add the asada. Tocino. And the vegetables. Then we're gonna mix it all up. Almost done. Almost done.
Ooh, mira, God. If y'all could smell this.
Smells delicious.
Dang, dude.
But I know I can cook this good. But I know I can cook. I know I can cook good.
Es la
But I know I can-
barrilito.
I know I can cook this good.
El barrilito unlocks a new level.
What y'all think? How does it look to y'all? Y'all need me for any catering? Hit me up. When you drop the cheese, you gotta drop it with style. Look,
A ver. Ah, perro.
you know it's about to be good.
Oh, great. Because I'm hungry.
Look at that. Look at that.
Mira, mira.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Just mix it. Look at the cheese. Look at it stretch.
Oh my God. I don't know about y'all, but the grease is the best part, baby. Mira.
Damn, you put up the whole pomada.
We gotta feed a village, baby.
Así no va. ¿Cómo no te la sabes?
Us, no.
No.
Dile a la de los tontos. We're about to hit 100 subscribers. Watch this. Live! Woo!
Live,
Let's see.
baby.
100.
Bailey.
Refresh. 100. Let's go. Yeah. 100 subscribers.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Y'all keep subscribing because we got more content. We're gonna keep cooking. If y'all like this cooking content, leave it in the comments. Give us a like.
Chug, 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 chug. Woo!
Go ahead and give me a taco, babe.
Alrighty. A ver. Mira. Ay, Dios.
Can't forget the salsa. Look at this.
I bet y'all didn't even notice it has no palo up in there.
Ahora
Oh, she did.
los viernes y los domingos.
Extra.
What did that say?
Can't forget the limon up in there. Let's try this.
Taste test. Let's
See if I'm a good chef or not.
Mr. Chef.
God damn.
Nah. ¿A poco sí?
I really didn't know I could cook. I can fucking cook, bro. I cook better than Jasmine.
Girl, no. No way. I was your assistant. Sin mí no la haces. Fuck no.
Perfect.
My turn.
That was Babe's turn. Taste test. Let me know if I can cook.
A ver. Oh, wow.
Tacos normales de carne. Ahorita te separamos, mijo. Ahí nomás la separa uno tu
Good?
carnita.
What you think? Rate it.
1,000.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope y'all liked this cookout that we did. Let me know how I did. Se les antojó or what?
We're gonna close out right here, guys. We're so full. We ate so much. It was so good. For our first time, I think we did so good. It was amazing. But shout out to the new subscribers. Keep watching. Y'all know we got stuff coming this year, which, by the way, we have some news for the next one. So keep watching, guys. Thank you guys so much.
All right, if y'all made it this far to the video and y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe. Leave us a like, comment. ¿Se les antojó la comida or what? We're gonna do more cooking videos soon, so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna give y'all the cravings. All right, peace.
Bye. Say goodbye.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Wait. Let me say hi, okay?
Okay. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. And I kind of cook upon the bread of the cook. Hammy cook on the eye. Hammy cook upon the bread of the tomato.
Okay. See you next time.
See you next time upon the hammy cook. Bye.
Bye. A ver, hazle así.
Bye.